that a big bird or what?
Big bird.
Here comes the bird.
Is it not gonna bite me?
No, because we're not going to get close enough for it to bite. If it comes closer, I'll get further away.
Gosh, can you get far? Can you get far?
There. You won't be able to reach us from here.
I don't want to get closer.
No, we're far now. He's a big bird, right?
Big crocodile. Big baby crocodiles.
They're not baby crocodiles, but they're not as big as crocodiles get. Oh no, I'm wrong. This is a spectacled caiman. But I'm pretty sure that's a crocodile. It says caiman. Those in the back might be caiman.
Ow.